Today I'm going to explain the basics of masking in After Effects. Using masks is something you eventually want to do because the possibilities are endless. It's a very common technique and not very hard to work with. For this example, I want to change the view from this porthole. I drag the footage, lower the opacity. I can use the ellipse tool. If you hold Shift, you get a perfect circle. And if you hold Control or Command, the circle will also drag from the center. You can also use the rectangle tool or even the pen tool if you have a different kind of shape. When you're happy with the shape, put the opacity back to 100%. You can mess around with the properties like feathering. You can also animate the mask, but that is something for another video. Now you can explore the other possibilities with masking.